Umang wa kae, Chopus.
Then notify la konga tasinalo nature. Siyezwe uyakhuluma mara.
Do me a favor, just get me out of here before I blow your spine.
Asikaze sizwele fokol ngawo.
Makufike mina, you comply or you die. Awungitsheli lokho. Awungitsheli lokho.
Sekhona enye ilingo yara.
Yakhona amanye abocica amncona ncuso waka leso isidamara. Ni boot ye trans phezulu kwabo. Akokota.
Do you think at some point you were losing your mind or something?
Atinqele kithi ngisingethe. Inombolo ngikhona ukuyihluba. Angisayishovi senyayihluba manje. Itholele fans. Phela mina ngibalekile akuna clever la eSouth Africa onganaso istory ngaseSouth Africa. Phela amaphoyisa ungakhohlwa ukuthi basebenzela amafamily wabo. They are not there to die. Hey, mina I'm there to dish out death. Ngilibambe ngithi ngilibeke ebondweni. Sibeke la ali nyibu. Hayi literally likake le khode the same time. First shot yabona umshaya.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kune scene eDeep Kloof.
Mangisukuma mina shanye shot la.
Iplug engaka.
But what's the big deal, Buti?
Something that's called an angel of death.
No, believe that shit. It is tangible. Ngeke ngisabalekela bokhada. Hey, abokhada ozongifuna ngisambalekela. Ngizomthela ngemvula. Sina sithanda this adrenaline of shooting nabo khada and everything. Mina ngumuntu we-action day in day out. I want action. I live for action. Mina
also referela to ama-psychiatrist.
Dala vele bangireferela kuma-psychiatrist sengijwayele vele. Mara believe you me, I'm not bullshitting here.
Ukhata straight wazi kahle ukuthi kahle mangalahla la ngibhodile.
Ngaleza nkathi bokuzobhoda bona ayithi. Ngeke ukhawathi one yethu ucabanga ukuthi you'll get away with that shit. Don't do shit like that to people like us.
Ladies and gentlemen, namhlanje ngisha ngathi ngisha kubo boxer. Uyabona makudlala ama heavyweight. Not lama light nama feather, but makudlala ama heavyweight. Vandag ngine heavyweight in the house. Usually we celebrate abantu esekuthiwa abasekho sabadlulile. So when I say legendary himself, but a living legend, ngikhuluma ngeGrootman uBra Sylvester uzozichaza yena. Angifuni ukuyitolika ngimpolitikele kakhulu, but it's someone who has arranged a reign of terror in many provinces or in the country as a whole. And when it comes to media, when you're talking about trending, before Lento was fashionable, he was trending for all the wrong reasons. And when you're talking about someone, explain a loose to translate to someone ongenanhliziyo kuthiwa le mfethu leli lishanhliziyo or kuthiwa lo ndoda uphuma silwe. He used to do things othi mawuzicabanga nawe you would wish that you could bury your head on the ground, but ke uNkulunkulu saved him. He is alive to tell a tale. So vandag in our show on the agenda or Against the Wall podcast, our agenda today is to give credit where it's due, but also I saw which go back to besithi sinama awards, for instance, bengizotela eGrootman because sinabantu ekukhulunywa ngazo kuthiwe manje kunoTebza Mrembuli kunoScore kunoBoy ihlala ikhulunywa dideng, so he's one of the people ekuhlala kuringa ngabo today uzozikhulumela yena live. So I hope everyone we facilitate seat belt yakhe because today we are going to indulge, we are going to dive in deep and sizoringa ijeje siringa into ezigrand but people are going to learn. Grootman, I had to do this opening because when we host people but different, usually angisumuntu who actually celebrates abantu nje, but I always honor people and give credit where is due. What you have done, no man in my whole entire life, in the journey of life, engihlangane nayo umuvile from estradeni, you led the pack. Ungene Danyani, you ruled and reigned and you became a number one of one of the most notorious gang and uyenze literally makuthiwa kuyabheshuwa abantu bathi bayithatha efensini awayilandanga emtiyadiyeni uyilande head on ngefence. This man under his belt he's got at least not less than 7 escapes. Asiqale ngayo le escape mara ngifuna ukwazi nje ukuthi igama ubani nama nickname wonke so that abantu ba understand ukuthi kahle hle siphethe bani estudio vandag. Over to you my brother.
Hayi sanibonani bafethu. Mina ngo Sylvester Mfokeng wena bhuti wami. Ngibuya la eOrlando East, ngikhulele eOrlando East, ngazi ngizalwele la ngikhulele la until ngize ngiye Danyani 89. Yeah, then from then on it's another story to tell ukubona.
Yes.
Hey.
Already timer.
Yeah,
already time.
Which good mangikhula timer lami bengalforostan yabo. Timer mangizwa belise Danyani lingilaze sengina 13 years. Ngisestradini ngahlangana naye. Already lamar langitshela ukuthi timer belise Danyani yabo. So ngikhula ngina timer in already lami ngaleza inkathi belilincane phela already lami lingitholele na 18 years old yabo. I was 17 if I'm not mistaken. So she has to raise a whirlwind ukubona naye. She had a lot on her plate yabo. So I grew up no decent, mara ngikhule decent ngoba the family was compact yabo. We loved each other, poor but uyangifostana kunganandlala endlini and all those things yabo. Inkinga nje uyazi mina ngikhulela pha eOrlando. That's the streets of Orlando. Yeah, so and ngikhula phambi kweyiport ngibukele iport uyangifostana then these guys base iportini yabona ugcina uba related nabo umncane then that's where things started uyangifostana. Yeah, from then on history will tell yona ngithi.
Maso unpack adideng. Yazi ngiba promise nothing but the action vandag edladleni. Abantu bamamela lezi zinto lezi kube ngathi motivation ile mambu jambu and kwesinye isikhathi bangathi le out lezi yagoqa bamnandi ngelimi. Kune issue escape. Ngifuna siqale nedaba before siyafela so that we get a better understanding ukuthi kahle kahle in the mind of Sylvester and what we have done, but probably before siyada bakushaya ngentaha eminyaka ebuyer blind and before le minyaka ebuyer blind uke waphuma bhayite waya kwamanye ama countries mhlawumbe irings nelingo kwesinye isikhathi omunye umuntu bathi the tasting is in the eating uyashaya lo ndoda lo ulihlikeza amateke uyigebe ngisakathi uyiclever. So ugo off ramp ngesikhathi seguru samapolitiki ANC IFP and all of that bokweyiphi country mawuphuma ecountryn la.
No, angithi iqale khona phela inkinga yethu yabantu abanjengathi history yethu it's hidden even if it's not told uyangifostana. Phela mase saseyintwana sikhula singama Azanian student movement azasi mama uyangifostana azapho iOrlando bokwe azasi. I-Freedom Charter thina we never grew up believing in Freedom Charter. We thought ukuthi i-Freedom Charter was a fabrication of the truth ukubona. So masikhula phela ungakhohlwa lapha eOrlando thina sikhule silwa nayo phela i-ANC mara amaqiniso angasakhulunywa today phela lawo ngeke azakhulunywa ngoba
ukhona ne-ANC.
Hey thina sikhula siwabiza ama-charterist labantu laba thina njengoba ngokutshela Azanian student movement UDF uyangifostana ngaleza inkathi we were opposed to the Freedom Charter. That's what we thought. That was what we were learned ukuthi the things izihamba ngaphela politically we didn't understand anything. Uyangifostana ngoba sigcine singama comrade from comrade to Tsotsi, comrade Tsotsi join the force yonke lento lena uyayifrustana abantu emathavenini sibafaka imvubu sibajoinisa iforce and all that. So we never even knew our leadership, but what I know for sure ukuthi besingama-comrade namajite engikhule nawo ngoba besinama-camp ezindlini la sikhempa khona ama-target ekuseni sivuka siyohantana nama-target for sure besizena uyabona manje you grew up in that kind of violence unaboma 11-10 years uyangifrustana so automatically what do you become ngoba ngathi boma 1986 kula kwathiwa kushiswa ikolo and all those things
uyiphathi yale nyakanyaka
obvious ngikhulele Orlando I'm part of this uyayifrustana then kwenzeka it was like maybe it was 1987 or 88 ngavela ngishisa itruck yamatshe beyilethe kuzodeliver amatshe manje ngavela ngiphezulu kwayo kuSowetan so abo olady babona otengwa no club ubatlwa ke special branch ngoba mabhunu vele bese angifona through that photo bevelile yabo so wakhosta ukuthi bangithathe edlaleni bangivayise kanti ngenhlanhla bokune uncle yami ebuya kophi eNamibia ngalesa sikhathi bokungathi Namibia bokuyi Southwest Africa then ukuya kwami ngada uyangifrustana ukufika ngada then ngada nakhona it's a different country different lingo hey I'm sorry about that
yebo khuleka mfana kithi si live asiphosi nix later ungasami I understand
so kwakhosta ukuthi ngifike ngada and mangifika ngada uncle yami naye bengasipani bokumuntu wemishikashikanyana yakhe yabo so he only dumped me there then I had to earn my own living ukwabona
hayi sibulale bayeza ukuthi ngathi ufudumele manje alright so mawufika la ufika uziyogeleza irings yakhona
no angithi kuse Namibia and kuse Windhoek kaTutura Gamende ENCV address yalabo engihlala khona so istrateni labantu laba bakhuluma isidamara ovambo nama Afrikaans then uyabona obviously you learn one way or the other then ngigcine sengi ngazi Afrikaans savor Afrikaans nidi Afrikaans enikhulumayo nini savor Afrikaans ngoba yiyo enza ukuthi mangikhuluma neDamara neOvambo sizwane nami ngumtswana ngithi manje ngifika ngala
isesekhona enye ilingo
yakhona amanye abocwica mncona ncuso waka leso isidamara then uthola boOvambo hey anditi ngayiphi nawa tu is Ovambo leso yabo okaJohannesburg olipeni uyayifrustana uyakubuza uthi uhlala phi eJozi wena so you learn those things ngoba ngicine ngichomana vele nawo ama-Ovambo those were the guys abangithathile ngisasemncane they amapotsotos bebayi 11 or 12 zishaya shoplifting le drobheni yabo ngicine ngiskime labo bantu
uyaspina manje yorkandi
mina that's what I know my friend I grew up in Soweto in Orlando East we grew up in crime from 9 years old
and I don't know violence udume ngeviolence wena
no mare violence it was part of the game
nature
violence we didn't shy away from violence came and we confronted them and we end up making an art out of violence you have to excel in everything you do
you're talking about art ngifuna ukukuthatha ngubeke on the spot ngifuna siringe about the escape because ngikele izitori zakhe zibhaya and masedanyane mawulawula ababhaya bazi ukuthi okay Sylvester Mfukeng mhlambe nje ezusahleli la umamele against the wall podcast just google Sylvester Mfukeng uzo understand at some point bakubize ngamagama abhaya la
awusky the monster all those things I'm used to that
the first escape lendo dibaleke more than 7 times ejele the last escape yakho ye7 kwenze nje how did you carry that thing ulele uvuke ekseni esayilini kufikana emqondweni wakhe I understand ukuthi vele wena bongafuna impahla ejele ungafuna fokol ngoba ungahlali da wena botsho ukuthi umuntu waseAfrika
mara iqiniso ngomuntu waseAfrika ngithi nako nami ngize ngafika eAfrika eAfrika ngidonsile ngoba
after how many years
31 I had to go through hell to be here
yes this man was released colleagues just under 4 months ago fresh Africa he did 33 to be precise 2 years a trial plus 31 years the longest serving ex-inmate or prisoner oke wa attender
the podcast 33 out my pelele
awumadiba wasafase
Hayi Mandela i14 angitshele ngoMandela simkhonsile lo. Hey i14 ayikabi.
Ilabo njenu leyo kuyayazi.
Noma i14
Even our prison wala mawathi umuntu 14. Yeah.
Yeah, la ngithi namabhunu bewakutshela ukuthi niyela esa14.
Wena so let dead le ntambo wena kahle kahle ikumiste kanjani because lezi ayikhathi leziyani bese iconvertile into yentambo.
No, besasekhona inkinga bengisasemncane bebangakhona ukungihenga amabhunu.
Yeah.
That's why angikhulisile.
Asibambe nge-escape ngiyabazi la baso comment scheme awumiyeka akhulume ngiyamiyeka uyakhuluma man yase block B hey bahlupha labo hey what ene siya prepare la ngabe bangisendele lento akuna script mara bayangitshela vethu ungayikhohlwa le question mangibuza scheme uyakhuluma ene sifuna ukuzwa lo muntu ngiyazi kumnandi ngiyanixolela ngiyaninqanya vie asikhulume ngale escape le uvuke ekseni ucabanga ukuthi manje ngiyaxebuka.
No, la escape le ana kahle kahle yona beyiloku iplaniwe. Uyabo kusho ukuthi ithe ngicela ukuthola i-life na 70 ngabona ukuthi hayi no ngele ngeke ngisekhona kuyimela yabo ngoba isigweba ngithi siqale nga 14 years concurrently 1992 ngasibalekela 93 ngaboshwa le hijacking bathi 25 uyabona manje sengingenza 70 life and 70 angibona ngakuthi bangishaye phi ngale minyaka so nga decide ukuthi hayi le ayingangami and manje amabhonu sewenzani ngalesa sikhathi aveldi phela ayazi ukuthi hayi lo ufuna ukuhamba ngithi so kwakhosta ukuthi I had to resort to my last option njenge RAF 24 ngaresorta ku F kusho ukuthi manje kumele ngisebenzisa iF ngiphume ngeforce so I had to get a gun outside ngayifuna ngaze ngayithola ngenhlanhla I had a girlfriend she's late now yabo her brother died suddenly maka searcha lo mntwana ngathi atholele gun mangithi ngiyafona athi man baby ngiphethe into eso ngithi uthini athi into eso ngithi ungazongihlanyela shintsha leyo nto hlukanisa insimbi ngizwe efonini and as var azihlukanise hey ngithi yiyo ibambe kanjalo uyabo yenza so ngimtshela ukuthi abheka amabhebeza abona makukanje yabo ngicela ukuthi wena uye timeni ungithathele inyuke eso ungithengele phela ngalezi nkata ngithi yakhombula ejele bokungena grocery so ngiyamtshela lo mntwana ngithi thatha leyo gun leyo ifake phakathi kwefoil faka phakathi koshukela 2.5 kg busela ushukela orrepe clean thenga ibow stick uyangithola ayibusela ayifake and esivaka iyenze kanjalo ngithi ngokuthi yenziwe uwe thatha leyo nto enika omunye umuntu uyayithola omunye umntana osedladleni naye lo mntwana akamtsheli ukuthi kunani la mina ngitshela lo mntwana emabhebeza ngicela ungilethele groceries yami angithi ngiyazi ukuthi and nayo yabona she's not aware what she's carrying she's relaxed yabo afika mara mina makayiletha lapha na reception la basearcha khona ngiyayibona ukuthi lento le ivulekile ngiyayibona and nale phoyisa leli ngiyaleze emfukeng then ngqwamela ukuthi ngisuse nje irasi just to distract them to consider that yabo rase kamampela bokunomunye ubaba womXhosa bathi tata fukeng nazi into zakhe young first that
angena ipara
ayangena yo akusipara luka 9mm luka lemnyama le brown lengaka ngathi lamasoja ndoda uyabona ngena nalo ngifika nalo ngiyalibekeseleni ngiyahlala so sengishawa uvalo lana ukuthi ngiphetheni la ngimele nje ukuthi ijele livalwe yabo enesivare le later on bavala full ushukela ngithi hey ngiyabona ukuthi iyo lento le ngithi cassette liphethe amanye amabhuleti la phambili ngathi iglass
amaholo
hey ndoda uyabona ukuthi manje phela mawubamba le nto ngesandla something happens ukubona kusho ukuthi kuna understand some sort of magic and it gives you power now you can see what you are holding it's like now we understand that it's you against life and death you are holding it in your hands so inkinga yale gun masifaka bengiplane nenye out Air Force Air Force 3 number 1 yabo ukuthi ndoda mina ngizinento esoso ngithola into esoso ngizofaka into esoso mele siphume kanje uyayithola so on that Thursday mangifika le phansi ngimkhombisa angithi ingene on a Thursday the same afternoon phela ngikhonile kuyikhipha ngayombonisa then the following no it Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday, Monday ngimbonise, Tuesday kuseni abalivali ijele. Kusho ukuthi le guy wenzeni ushile. Ya ngemthusile bengayibelieve ukuthi angalidonsa 15 phakathi emaselini yabo ashe angidrege yabo makadrega abalivali ijele balivala uthami kusho ukuthi bayifune high and low nami ithe mangiphuma kuye the way ngikhulume naye ngakhona ngimsensile ukuthi ayilose kayasha ngaphuma ngabaleka ngayo ichafa kusho ukuthi mangifika la ema single cell bengihlala khona ngaye store room donsa uyawakhumbula lawa amavima amasaka ngaka donsa le phansi kokugcina ngwalahlela le ngayifaka phakathi kwevimi ngayibusela amavimi ngabusela amasanga ngapaka amabox ngaphuma e-store room mangiphuma nje e-store room enesval singene le ntwana zabo gata bo milking yabo kunezinye laphana besafika ezamakhalati laphana medium C uyangifostana zilastar ezibezilastar lezentwana yo bezilastar so Ishlanye manje zisa namabhone bathi vazi di firvapen ngithi vatse firvapen bathi jet no di firvapen ngithi daisa kak story schedule fucking drunk ke ni di firvapen baliphendula ijela ama daddy box benzeni abaliphendula balisakusho ukuthi basearche la ngikhona mabaqeda balivale lonke bayosearcha le balandele zazinto ngathi bafuna zamasoja babize namasoja bayentsimini laphana emajaridini kuphe C section B section basearche nix abalitholi 15 uyabona bathi ukukhululeka the following day bangivulele emfukeni vazi di firvapen ngithi jele meni kom kakfrani man jele fucking drunk mus diremekar gaskete ket ni firvapen uyabona ukuthi manje senyalwa ngiyabona ukuthi laba banginyela bayithola lento abayifuna kusho ukuthi ayikho uyaba bahlukane nami enesivaro uyabona umphathi wejele afika athi I lost the Kafur ngithi Kafur ezomawa nje uyabo ngoba mina namabhunu vele kalisa inkati besilwa besideclare iwar ya besingangifuni leza intwana zamabhunu manje nambe ngizitshela ukuthi fuck jele pour status for pay jele verkoner di Kafur no je roep me Kafur mara Kafur is your fucking pass no so singizondela into ezinjengale bengizitshela bengizitshela but bengana sikhathi sentwana zamabhunu sila ngithi ngiyazazi and kudala zingithoshaka zingikhawatha so nami uyabona kuphethe uDaki manje abo 95 umsela umsela mude ziphelile zamabhunu azisekho umDaki usengomthetho omusha uthi sinama right sinamalungelo uyayifrustana so nami bengipractice ilungelo lami uyabo
umqondo lokuthi usesibhamini though akakhohle
awuphumi la then kwenzeke ithi Wednesday Thursday Friday angibona ziyakhulofa yabo Saturday Sunday kuvele senye story ku City Press first page yabo bangilinka to another crime beyenzekile mzukwana yenye Grootman socialite yabo and I got nothing to do with the shit uyangifrustana so ngifonelele abantu bengithesha nabo ngaphandle ngithi ebheka man kunento esoba Jimbo sister kwenzakalani but hey phuma la iScorpion siyeza on Monday sizok interview us uyayifrustana ngibona ukuthi hayi le ayingangami ngilandenya so kunenye out yami la eqeda ukuboshwa iBrixton beyirofa mzukwana leza ama haste uyayifrustana so ngilandele out ngitshela ngithi manje mfo phela la ungakhohlwa ukuthi from Wednesday Thursday Friday sengifuna ngirecruiter la ema single cell abantu engizohamba nabo uyayifrustana so sengirecruited 3 konomunye umzulu nenye yase David Tony konje ke mangwesibusiso kunale umthuthu ke nale drama lami le uyalifrustana sesi 3 so ngilandele efikayo ngitshela ukuthi M4 wena uyinja ngcwele yabo siyahamba today and ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo muntu lo naye ufika usafakwe insimbi uyayithola so da esingle cell kunemunye uGata othesha la kusho ukuthi dabo kuthesha intwana ezi3 zamabhunu nabo ethu abodaki laba abodaki amajita ngoba siya understandana nazo yabo mina naleza amabhuni it's kusho ukuthi asizwane kusho ukuthi sizondana ngalendlela epotent yabo so ngibuze lezi ukuthi man chief awunjwethe kunenye bathu upunki decent guy yabona le Agata out decent ne out lelana kusho ukuthi out lelana ngal recommenda nasemajiteng ngibuze nepunki ambutse lianing launching ba ga rona renka first lunch liJavas uJavas umaluleka yeah so ku captain no la eSun City yabo ngibuze bona bathi ayisithatha first lunch ngitshele lezami ngithi first lunch sayisusa yabo kuzabe kusigcwele le ntwana zamabhunu enyakazayo siyayibhahaza uyayithola then ngicela zona uTepunki ngicela ningikhiphe no nale out yami so bloma nje ukuthi sazana uyafika phela lo muntu nodi last Thursday yabo amajita avuma ngithi amajita phela la uPonki noJavas yabo basivalele la eseleni mina ngena la eseleni ngiphethe ama-okapa ayi-2 ngithenga isikhiya ngiphethe isikhiya engasithenga boma 3 years ago ngiloka ngisibekile uyangithola ngiphethe nalegani igani sengithathile ngifake manje phansi kombhede kaMthuthwa ngimtshelanga akasibusiso le iconini ngoba singale kulamasela ngale ukuthi bangivalele nabo so 3 sivalelwe esiblome ke then mayithi 12 o'clock mabathi master phela mzukwana mabaya lunchini bebavala yeah uzobuya azosivulela ngo-1 uyabo makavala ngithi thank you my chief and isingihambi liya lunching ake bakayirathwa vele usethe intwana thetha amaghuwa usikamemetha yabo ngithi sharp uyabona mina ngihlale manje ngithini ngithi hayi yabona la laba abayi-2 abazi umuntu owaziyo kulo ukuthi kwenzakalani umthuthu yabo ngitshele laba abayi-2 ukuthi bafethu itswe siyavaya vandag hayi mavesta ngeke uyenze kanjalo ngasiplannanga yini ngithi siplanani sinesibhamu sinemese nifunani le usibusiso seyifuna ukubheka off yabo hayi ntanga mina ngeke ngilonga ngeda ungitsheli lokho awungitsheli lokho uyayithola siyahamba sonke ofunisone ngesibhekisa ngakuwe manje before ngithu nesivakabone emehlweni yabo ngihlaleke sengisikhita nginikene okapha ngithi bamba la nginika umthuthu bamba la yabo ngikhipha isikhiya nginasi isikhiya siyavula la and ngishaya imasa niyabona bathi siyabona ngivale vie that keep ipilisi lami ngibhema iChristine shining top keep it to yama Mendrex wami ngikapha yabona engwabheme rafu kusho ukuthi sengibhemela nje ukuthi ngibulala every conscience manje angithola ukuthi mangiqeda la uyayithola sengingenye into nje enesivare mangiceda la nabo bangibonile ngithi tswe vule le ngitshelile uSibu ngithi asiye hamba phambili wena ngokuthemba emva kwami yabona sinyonyobe siyovela ngale officeini angithi mina ngaza amabhono lawo ngene ecala mangithi ngikhaba umnyango ngithi freeze hey ilamajita ayi-2 uPonki noJavas sote manje nina Hete aliyethi ntshweu lona litseke maburu molanyela ga ke a tsamaya ke a kantle. Le uJavas sesome Sylvester ngayenza ngithi hey awungisondele wena umuntu omdala uyabona ngizokushaya ikhanda. Le ntwana uPonki isondele. Uyayithola manje.
Zokala bona uzungithi Grootman ubaba. Ucela umthathela ama message mfethu ne?
Yeah, umtshele nto.
Ama message ayagijima la nto. Bathe iyakhala ifoni. Ngaze kube ne load shedding lose le story.
Uyayithola wena bhotwana. Yeah, then uyabona ukuthi mina angiexpectanga ukuthola bodakhi bakithi officeini. Mina ngiexpecta ukuthola amabhunu. So mina ngithola bodakhi bakithi. There's no way ngathi ngithatha isibhamu ngisibusele emuva seyisukile. Lo uPonki afuna ukuacta ihero athi uyangisondela mtshela uthi umuntu omdala engizokushaya ikhanda bengiyamshaya kusho ukuthi mangithi la ngithi khona le uPonki ingene ngaphambili yabona re uskayetsa dayide mavest ayiJavas awumbona uSylvester unjani ya ngithi aziye nina uyabona ngithatha bona manje ngibayisapha inyobavalela ngale kulesele siphume kulo yabona esibabophe la babophela ngibashaya ikapa omunye umbhekele omunye abhekele thatha le insimbi zalo mfethu lo mthuthuzeli thatha ikhiya ngisikhiphe kumthuthu ngifake kubo la enyaweni rollisa lapha ekakpot thatha ikuta nje lesi siqori
fake emlomeni
ngiyasazi
the story sesikuta leso
angibafake ikuta inja zami mfethu mara no ungayenzi dayide ngathi ngibreaka ngaleza autism phela ngalela la ngabo kuyosimbakala yabo so nale
umuntu la
no mara bekayobhola ngoba at the end of the day mina I'm an SKP uyabona uthi and manje singisebenzisa ini iforce and manje uma endleleni you become an obstacle of which ngizokuwipe out and I'm running out on time if ichoma igani uyayibona so kwenzeke ke ukuthi abo-Javas they comply leyo punki ambonise othi hayi Javas umavest uzokucisha asivayo yabo then bangaze ngathi angibabophe njengoba siphuma khiphele ikhiya intambo ngizilahlelele ayizivule uyabona manje sesihambe spiral sase-Sun City yo ngisiphethe kanje kusho ukuthi ngizitshelile ukuthi khata or whatever yeah ngiyasiyeka kusho ukuthi la there's no way I'm going back one way or the other I'm coming out or I'm dying uyayithola ngiyaphuma and as well uyabona ama-city spiral iplan yami ukuthi ngiyongena esibhedlela isibhedlela sine entrance yokuphumela ku reception e-reception kune-amari I want i-amari yalapha bengifuna i-amari thola bengifuna i-amari because yami yeah and as far mangifika le esibhedlela zonke ikhiya zoyi7 zalokuvula ngithi ikhiya zalokuvula ngithi ikhiya zalokuvula zoyisa kuze kuvele lenye olady uMema Skonyela wena Sylvester ubatlama mo gate ngithi hayi mami re tsama le police gore beilemo hayi ke nako asina kwa esibhedlela tsamayang mo mntu etsentatong ngithi danki ngithi siyehle ighost ayichumanga uyayithola ighost ayichumanga siyehle masithi ngibone enye ibuye visit ngithi hayi one way or the other kusho ukuthi simele sophuma phi i-visit ikhiya zivuli yabo kusho ukuthi amari ayisasebenzi ngeke sawathola amanye amagani yabo mele sisebenzise le asike sangena lapha e-visit so mangithi sayehla sithole enye intwana Orlando West ibuye visit ngithi ezwakala yi-outsaka dintsanga ngithi hey akiye wena tsotsi buyela mrawo hayi angazi bengiyoyi ya ngithi asiye iye mangifika ngale ngithi donkey yak asho i-donkey yak ayilela bhonu lize weno vasho kuyeyije no net yathi I mean kane ngathi yatatazela ngimuzanga nokuthi uthini ale bhonu lilahle side livule yabona ithi malivula ngimphushele lo ngithi J ngilibambe ngithi ngilibeke ebondweni ngisibeke la alinye ibhonu hayi literally likake le khode same time sibusiso nawo la lo bengingamthembi ngalesa sikhathi uya actor yinja sekaya actor manje ubamba le bhoni ukubeke okapi la ngibonele bamanzi ke sengena mina ngaphakathi ngijampela lapha phezulu kwe-counter almalfanjele yenkan uyayibona nje beweeg blow jou gasag off en es ware seyibambe la reception seyibambe yabona sesiyayicontrol ngijampe ngehle ngale ngitshela amabhantiti clever bari zonke phansi ya amabhantiti ngeke uwathembe phela athanda ukuba mahiro lalisa zonke phansi clever bari zonke phansi nabantu bangaphandle visit la sokulelwe phansi la so umthuthu ubambele la bhono lelana eliphethe isikhiya sakuphi sangaphandle ulibambe through i-grill uyayithola ayilela bhono ngazi ukuthi lenzeni ithe mangiyangale ngithi ngiyolanda lamanye amabhono abalekele kule room encane engibonile ukuthi I wonder benzani laba uyabona awuthi ngiyoceda lamhlangano fast ayi lela bhono like labaleka bhuti elike labaleka angazi ngizonje niman lehlothuke malehlothuka sengigijimela la ngihrepa lethu lekhiya kumthuthu ngivula asifuna ukuvula number 2 sivula uyabona sengigijima manje ngilandelela le bhono uyayithola malithi khona ayingishaye bhuti ya ngiyabona
phakathi edanyana
angizawuthini nangumuntu phela uyabona ayilaphana bese ngasacabanga igrand ngoba bese ngibona i-threat ukuthi lo makafika ngale uya kule amaribe ngithi ngiyakuwe bazosibulala yabo awuthi ngimshaye angilimesele la bhono la ebondweni liye uyabona manje ngibuyele lapha selinyamalele ngithi ayi ngibuyele emuva ngithi emajimbos ntswembu basivayeni ighost mangisasho njalo ngezwe ikhala yo bhuti awuthami yabona si amajita aphuma manje aphuma yabaleka wonke mina ngiphuma nge-reverse manje yabona ukuthi akunawo dlala ihero phela and as far as phuma mangithi naba phezulu kwe-ground sokuduma imoto manje vum uyabona esigijima mangithi ngifika le groundini awuthami ekhawathekile le buya ku-Morton Roof yabo ngithi kanti bhuti izikhiphana te mani mavesta ngikhawathekile ngokutshela mina ngibuye sibe ngiyofaka insimbi ngithi asiye ndoda ngizokudefenda uyabo ngifuna lo muntu mina lo lo iroyare phela ngiyazi ukuthi mangiphethe lo ngiyofika ngaphandle ngithola iskimi esidecent amthutala time mavesta ngiyasala uyayithola nami ngibona ukuthi eyisana Mthuthu
Eyisana.
awube grand nje yami maybe one day ngizokulanda yabo ngiyehle nami yabona mangithi ngithi ngiyehla lezana ezithu usibusiso naleyo usibusiso ziphumile legi FNC nazi sesihamba le naturena ndoda ngithi ngiyayehla kuvele itrans yabo gada bavele kanje ngama rifle azange ngireverse sorry ini ngigcwale kubo uyayithola yeah kusho ukuthi ngigcwala kube esikontirini ngigijima kuyabona ngishaya nje la wiscreenini ngishayile speed sala phambili ngasibona si disintegrate batshompela bonke ngama rifle angimazi ureverse imshaye kanjani ngoba ngisayiboni ngishayile enye ibullet lethu kusho ukuthi ngigijimela kubo oveza ikhanda nyamshaya ngifuna ukuyobadisa amabonke bayi5 banjalo
yo
yeah uyabona ayi kanti uyangibona ukuthi ngiyenzana nathi reverse touch uyabona nami ngiphumeke ngilandela bomthuthu naba sebagijima le mondiyo ndo hey nami nyaya pu mina ngifike manje ngigcoke overall green angibe sigcoka green khiphele overall green ngaphansi ngigcoka ama track suit hey mangithi akuveli helicopter ndoda ngithi khona mangithi khona kuvela intwana ze 10111 yes ngishaye kusho ukuthi ngathi indlulela phambi kwabo boyi2 ngabashaba yo chase le andlu leyana labo kumele bajike khona ngathi khona la thema ngena la ngajump ibona mangijump ibona ngihlangana nenjengake Rottweiler ngithi ngishaye ekhanda ayibaleke le nje ichayisa ibonda maybe aliwe ajenena ngokutshela imanga nje yami liwe ibonde li strong elimile la Rottweiler ishayile labonda liwe Marino angazi umcondo ophi la angilandeli le Rottweiler mangithi la inokule box layo kune mgodi la ngaphansi angazi le Rottweiler igubhe kanjani ayithola gene la ngithi ngiyibonile ukuthi iphumephi ngiyangene la kulomgodi hlale kanje siphethe kanje mangiceda ukungena ndane intwana zamabhuleza ama 10111 esijampe la ethi sonto khalo babona la lenja ibaleke ya bathe sonto khalo
yes
ngicina ngilele nje ngizumeke ngiziphansi kwebox lenja angithi ngizwa le helicopter manje ngiyibonile phela bangibonile ngenephi mari ngidisappear phambi kwabazange akuna noyone ongitholile ukuthi ngiyephi tot vandag bebaloka bangibuza wat het jy so toe verdwyn jy ngithi nee moenie vra jy is nie jou besigheid jy sal weet eendag maybe eendag hier hulle so bangimtshela ifuso sizwa isinto kwabona so ngiphathe ubuthongo la uthama ngithi manje ngingikawuzile adrenaline yenzana emzimbeni phathe ubuthongo abana mangiphaphama ngisibambe kanje ngilele naso ngivuswa yispider manje ngiyazwa ukuthi kunabo hoga abangihambayo yabona hey ngiphansi kwebox lenja ngiphume mangithi hayi nje nowhere to be found sengithuswa yiyo ukuthi yo lengaka ingabuya kantale kanje ngathi baleke waya kulanto le ayisho angibonanga angikutshela istory azange ibone mangiphuma yabona mangihamba la ihambe khona mangithi ngibona intwana zengami lezi 2 uyayifrustana nazi intwana zengami la ngibona ngidlule azingiboni yabo ngaba zingibonile habe ngiyozingenela nazo once vele yazi ukuthi yabo ngiphume ngani mangithi ngiyaphuma nangu madam la nge160 Honda Palette ukhipha ama plastic ebhuthini yabona ngivela ngithi excuse me madam freeze that it's you they've been looking for you during that day you are the convict that escaped ngithi yes ma'am do me a favor just get me out of here before I blow your spine wabona umama athi please don't shoot me let's go ngithathela ama plastic wakho ngabusele phakathi kwebhuthi ngimfake ngale ngene emva kwakhe uyayibona avala umnyango nami ngikutse la ngimtshele just take me out of this territory drive lo mntwana engami nomntwana engami la nje isichuchu nje sesesteri yabo drive lo mntwana masifika ngale ngaseshewelde ngoba ngemisa ngala ngimtshela ngithi my dear it's time for you to get off your car yabo ngiphume naye aphume lapha ngimtshele back rings everything bring azikhumule ma chain yabo thathele namacici bring everything yomlongo musi will buy new stuff don't worry you in short musi wena ngithi bring akhale ngane ngama khathi wakhe la ephesini yabo keep iwallet mangithi izilele vele ingami labo keep inyungu there's your cut, there's your bag, yabo. Have a nice day. Gone, ngithathe le automatic. Manje Honda Ballet 160i. Hambe ngayo. Yile ngene ngayo eDeep Kloof ebusuku la. Ngoba beso Sam yazi beso ku
sekwamnyamanyana.
kuba mnyamanyana. Hey mangithi ngiyangena lapha eDeep Kloof ndoda. Yo. Ndaba 7:00 Sylvester Mfokeng SKP kusho ukuthi la ngena khona nabantu amajita aba uncomfortable yabo. Hey ntanga hey wena hey vat. Ngithi what's the big deal? Umsebenzi wami musingenze leze ngidume ngazo yini nina ngathi niba uncomfortable. Hayi ntanga bathu uxishile in. Sebaya exaggerate la SKP bayayihlobisa ukuthi ngathi sengibulele kwasho wacima. Yeah, uyabo and angibulala okay kudutshulwe wena wazi amabullet aphelele ngithi bokudutshulwana mara ukubulala phela ukubulala ngithi angixishanga umuntu then that's how amajita ngithola the following day ngihamba ngale Honda Ballet ngicine ngilinika enye intwana abathu Vincent ke umkhotsi
ayisana
utla inkiwe hona mo ke ngamla wechebe yachisa yabo ya bese ngikhathele ngaya ngithi sengiphethe ischeme sami manje sesibhathula iVR6 phela thina ngithi sibhathula every day uyayifrustana that's how ichawa yalapha ihambe ngakhona hayi le exaggerate
clean escape ugcina uphuma 99 kahle kule escape ugcina uchaza angiphako waphuma straight
ngiyakutshela uyizwile mus from reception besuku dutshulwana lapha emagroundini abahada babaleke gate helicopter nyame phansi kwebox ranger simple nje
hey bafrizile ngisho ukuthi sifaza ama safety belt dining room abaye wasekarini kumanyene layout. All right, you're still tuned into Against the Wall. This is our podcast. Vandag Slete, the legendary himself, Igrotman Sylvester. We are not here to amplify and to glorify izinto azithunile nani, but kwesinye isikhathi, you know, I saw wish ukuthi Bomb Productions my khona bakhona ama-outi aku industry. If we could convert stories as far as because this is another story Sabo El Chapo, Sabo Pablo Escobar esingasichuna in the country. Yes, izinto ezidlulile uzigwetshwele uhleli 33 years you have paid. So we are not just saying this because sifuna ukukhuluma and amplify izinto ezirong. Now ngifuna ukuthi sibuyele emuva kancane ngeminyaka wayigwetshwa mawuzohlakazwa kahle mawuhamba amahofa amakhodi nje ifu sakhumbula grand ukuthi mabalo bakuhlakaza bagaka kanjani iminyaka ugwetshwa iminyaka engaki ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ngingakumamela Samuel uDime mfethu ngicine ngingasabali mina bese kuhlangane over.
No, angithi njengoba ngikutshengishilo earlier ukuthi ngiqale ngiya 14 years concurrently. Ngathola le 25 years 93 for so it's 14 ne 25 angisazi ngakhe sharp. Ngiyavaya Western area ecourt. Western area banginika 50 na life. Yabo? Sengiyenza 25 50 na
14.
na life. Yabo? Ngiyasuka ke Western area ngiye high court. High court life na 25 inabo yabo. So yabona sengiyaxakeka with life 70 in yabona kodwa ngithothe diyanhlakahlakana yabo. So ngiyasuka la ngeWestgate. iWestgate ngisha 35 years for ama hijackings and stuff. Yabo hayi mangibuye eWestgate ke azange ngisabala. Ithe mangisithatha ngiyasihlanganisa sengizwa boma 395 manje ngiyahlangahlangana ukuthi iminyaka engaka seyifika phi yabo and ngapha nginama federal charge abhaya phela. Ngisamba amacala serious. Angagwetshwa le 145 na 10 life. Ngiyenza 2 life manje 200 and something years. Mangwabala mangwahlanganisa ngoba athi plus. Uyayifrustana. So I mean SKP those things didn't matter ukuthi banginika how much when kuphi uyabo. So ithema sengibona zithi boma 200 and something jale I choose with I am hot nakusabala rubbish uyabo. Wena untabantu emangweba unjwetsori angithi nje yami iyo bethanda ukukhipha into zami yabo. Hayi anozongitshela mina I didn't care less now yabo. Mangibuye Westgate ngale 33 ngibuye ngihlangahlangene ngoba ithema ngithi ngiyayibala etruckini 90 70 50 uyabona ukuthi seyangidakwa sewababhaya leminyaka ngidaka ngisabala. Tshela choose ukuthi emngani wami ngicela ungimonithele mina angisayingeni mina sengiyenzani manje ngifuna out of here ngoba mina escape. Mina bengibelieve ku escape. Mina ngifuna ngizwane nejele ijele bengilisaba yabona ijele alikho grand. Ijele bengilisaba belibhlungu plus.
Umuntu ongakukeni ne osedladleni because kunengcoso ezincane abanye abakhula no abantu ba believe ukuthi lento mhlambe kayenza ngomuthi mhlambe bekahamba inyanga over demand ukhulume ngebhayite ukuthi uyokwenye country wabuya wangena ngayi ubuye Cape Town. So ngifuna ukuthi uexplain umuntu oyi-1 kune newspaper engike ngayifunda kancane ikhuluma nge-Small Street ikhuluma ngoSylvester Mfokeng. Ithini background?
Lezo into zakudala ungalaleli lento lezo abantu bathanda uku-exaggerate amangitshela yabo idorobho ngalezo enkathi idorobho thina besirofa laba bezayo abazothenga impahla e-AD Speeds eJerani uyangifrustana besispina la so sigcine sispina Small Street yonke ukuthi wasethembisa Alexander ku as long ungena e-Small Street ngalezo enkathi uzothenga 80s 90s uzothenga impahla thina bese kuthathela bhuti so uyazi the way ngizithathe ngakhona every week ngoba bese ngigcoka ngabo nama ngithi ngifike ekseni ngiyazi ukuthi mangibhathula amateki wejini 11 nami sengiyitariana
mari article ithi uSylvester Mfokeng bekayi-terrorist yara ugcine abantu sobakhiphisa ne-protection fee bathi nje Small Street akungeneki mawudaya Small Street mele wazi sirana uSylvester Mfokeng.
Not really abantu baya-exaggerate wena uthami uyazi ukuthi abanye angithi besebazi ukuthi kunalezi ezispina yini aboma-component phela mina ngibe ngispina nezasedrobheni ezihlala la aboma-component mina ngihlala edrobheni ngiza la from Friday Saturdays during the week nginokungabi khona first time so weekend amajita ngithi athenga weekend awathengi during iclever ngithi so bekwenzeka ukuthi abantu bagcine ba-recognize igama lami ngoba I'm always on the forefront and mina ngithi ngokuthathela mawuphuma esitoro phela angokumele uyemele khoneni ngokubamba khona la ngisibeke la phambi kwakho masendeni ngithi uthini clever uyaleka iplastic or ngiyasiyeka so ezibhaya bese zazi ukuthi son le yabo awuskwili liyena so ngicine ngiba negama ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi isana Elias Bathuli isithathela ama-Cavel isithathela uyafoster nama Porsche in
But I think those were initial days. My sesingena deep into the interview. Kunama-out aziwayo ne in the country and if uthi uyi-clever uke wayenza izinto Ramasimba wamampela you would know ukuthi kunomuntu about uColin Chauke. You would know ukuthi bekunomuntu ebekuthiwa uRabutapi. So I know for a fact ukuthi you've crossed path. So this validates your story. Kunabantu abaringayo umzwakhuluma babuza ukuthi endoda ifile lakho ngathi asinalo wena ejele siyezwe uyakhuluma mara asikaze sizwele fokol ngawo. So uke wazithola kuleso scheme uke wazithola mhlambe senva because these were petty crimes ebezenzeka before. Wo graduate manje kuyaphambili ngoba ungezwe. Kule scheme sabo Rabutapi list nabo sabo Fingers nabo Chauke bake bakufeature.
No, angithi 1995 njengoba ngibalekile. Ngifuna uJosiah nale uChauke yabo. Bangifuna ukuthi size sizo shaya inyuku ngoba bona ngathi bebangifunelani maybe ama-rifle ngoba bese nginama-rifle ama-pistol kusho ukuthi bese sineyibhamu mina ne-scheme sami kuyaziwa wonke underworld ukuthi mawufuna ama-rifle mawufuna iplug uskima laser uyayifrustana. Hey ngawukhuluma izinto ezizongifaka edanyani lana uyafrustana zingiskime-ke somewhere laphana boma-95 njengoba ngishawile but lapha bekuyo shawe ikati lela mzukwana elinaleya roof emhlophe ice cream angiligibele ngaphezulu-ke lela ice cream kwasho ukuthi nabo ngiba-actele they didn't believe that shit but ekuyele angathi okay mina no-achoose nami angazanga ukuthi how we acted thina ngithi sibasitshelile ukuthi kwenzwakala ikati phela kusafani namanje ama-hasty in ikati bolishalimile mabaphuma nje manje laba abaphezulu kumele ngibakokotele ngerayifuli ngiphezu kwabo yabo angazi nokuthi ngiligibele njani boot yetrans phezu kwabo ngakokota nje hayi bake bawavula ndona hayi bayivula yonke iminyango yonke thatha inyuku so thina it was not all about money. Mina nalenja yami yabo achoose wami thina besipractice i-violence art i-violence besiyenza i-art thina sithanda this adrenaline of shooting nabo khata and everything money okay siyaspina ngokuthi kumele sigcoke expensive nathi sinswembu vele ngendwango yabo inyuku siyayiphatha but after that amashale yana basihayela ngathi sithole boma-35 ngoba besiboma-7 ngitshela usibale ukuthi hayi mina leyo kuhaya sibaningi kanje sibale akusinto zami labantu asibasayistephe ngoba manje sebathini bafuna ukuthi ngisuke ngiyohlala kuphi ePitori emafletini ngilaye lowo angithi yazi ngiyashisa manje uJosiah orentwana man kuyawunida yabo ngoba ulaye lowo rotla unkarobe ya deflating yabo bangithathe bangise somewhere laphana edrobheni ePitori angihlela 2 days ngibona kahle ukuthi ngisejele la tholile emaflatini ngiyabona odayi bafethu ngiphethe imali
Akuna action la.
akuna action mina ngumuntu we-action day in day out I want action I live for action for instance without action life becomes boring uyabo ngaleza inkati ya ngoba no violence it was an art yeah we loved the violence mina nabangani bami so and we excelled in it kwabona we wanted anyone who can yeah especially 10-1 sisukele nje just ukuthi dushulwane nje yazi yeah those were the things besiziyenza.
But I've came across something via about ilisters. Excuse me. Labe nisusa khona mawuthi ukhuluma ngeadrenaline ukhuluma ngeplug. I'm trying to paint a picture. Kungabi into nje story ngathi drama.
Yeah.
Indlela yakho yokucabanga because someone mela thole if kwama effects wama drugs or makuthu umuntu uneplug umuntu ophilayo. Polystars ningena kanjani nikugcoba iPolystars yonke without mentioning I don't want the igama lePolystars but ukungena niyodisama iPolystars iplug engaka.
But what's the big deal buti angithi we are dishing violence isiphatha amagana amaphoyisa phela amaphoyisa ungakhohlwa ukuthi basebenzela amafamily wabo they are not there to die uyabona hey mina I'm there to dish out death. So it's up to you comply or you die uyabo makufike mina you comply or you die beyisho njalo uyayifrustana then iPolystars uyangena njengomuntu ngathi kusebusuku 3:00 uyayifrustana ungena ngathi uzokhipha isikhalo or something yeah osikhiphe ecala phela kuya ngokuthi uyobusa yangithi hey mangasidonsa phezulu kwekhanda ngathi ya ngiyamgcumela ngimnika iopportunity yokureact I choose uyavela ngale sibamba lethule mawuthi uyangalo uyababona abanye abayi3 balele lapha ubavusa njengokuba kokota amakhanda baba disorientated makathi usibona lo nyamawu roba la fathi intshakwena thathela manje
yemona the man in blue ithini conscious kuwe mfethu ukhata straight wazi kahle ukuthi kahle mangalahla la ngibhodile
ngaleza nkathi bokuzobhoda bona ayithi hey ayikabi majimbosi not what I'm bragging or what mina we excelled in violence and uyangibona ngidubuleke kanjani
angithi siyada because ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kune scene at Deep Kloof because ngifuna ukuthi ngiconsolidate yonke dideng mhlambe awuke ungayi yona back to back ngoba what happened there it was more towards ukuyophakwa kwakho mara kune story nje nginterested kuso about the reality yomuntu and your body and your spirit and your soul when your spirit leaves your body and ufike uzibukele ungaphandle because manje sesikhuluma izinto ezingale komhlaba abantu abayi-understand i-fiction kahle kahle ngathi sikhuluma i-movie but the day you were caught uphawa kanjani?
No the thing ngikhawatheka njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngi-escape la ngithi so ngiphila ekuphi embileni yabo so that day ngihamba no-Achooz wami ngitshela u-Achooz ukuthi antwana awuthi sike siye edrobheni yabo thina besithanda ukuya edrobheni ekuseni sifike singene e-Kind Center sizithengela ama-popcorn and all then siyochila yabo sibukela imovie mina ngiyalala la Achooz umuntu mina ngiyazilalela la uyabo sizophuma le afternoon though that day siphume laphana ngabo singbo it was like maybe ngabo 4 to 5 masifike lokishini nakhona ilanga bose kuyelo libona ukuthi liyashona ilanga yabo then isba mara masingena nje siqeda ukuhlika la emaTaxini eJackson lo ngitshela usibali ngetesibali kunento engakhe grand uyabona uyibonele lento endlule emva kwethu ngeshort le abo 4 ngiyayazi le Astral le yabo sibala hayi phuma kulabo asifaya uyabona siyavaya siyapi same street nje le phambili nje sishika kasi singena la ekhoneni bokunenye intwana eBlomarabe esinokubloma kuyo yabo sishiye amagani wethu la uyabona njengoba siye edrobheni ekseni ngithe sishiya amagani la ngoba asikwenza nikisimo se-Kind Center sinidi magani yabo mara masibuya masiceda ukuwathatha yabona masithi siyaphuma ngalendlu le ayingibonela ama-Astral lana eblue e-white e-red zindlula phambi kwethu sozigcwela amabhunu angitshela usibale ngithi esibala athi ubabonile ata abasibheki lamabhunu awona neli1 ebhunu elibheka ngayi mara mina ngiyabona ukuthi hayi naba hayi ngitshela usibale ngithi ebetna kanye laba beze kithi intwana yabona usibala athi ayazini njengoba bayele phambili asigcwale kubo sibone bayapi siya kanje manje siya Jackson lo garage lapha ne4 way lapha yabo emarobotini
Yeah.
lama Astra athi short right ayehla yoma le enzansi ngase zone 6 yabo zone 5 mangibheka le ngibona i even yamahata leyana bathi yini levuleka ngapha nangapha
Yeah.
uyabona iCasper
Bathi
lezi
ihippo le, yeah.
le hippo ya
Yeah.
kume yona lapha labo hata laba nabalayitile ngaphakathi bonke babheke kuphi la ngakithi ngitshela usibala ke tanja yami nalaba bafunda ngathi uyabona usibala athi yazini manje asibuyele emuva asijump isikontiri sizama ukungenela kuphi ngara eDeep Kloof ngitasiye mngani wami mara no sithi siyacrossa kuvela imoto yama Sowetan le beyideliver amaphepha
Amaphepha, yeah.
yayibhalwe Sowetan yabo masithi siyayibona and mayifika la ideliver amaphepha vela angithi umzukwana bokuthengisa amaphepha la emakhoneni la eDeep Kloof before kuba ile nto siyithole manje yabo ize liyavena ize kanti yo yabona mayiza ngibheke kayiwane ngiphume kuye ngibheke laba mina ku-10 o'clock laba bayenzani yini into abayiplana ngoba siyababona labo gada ukuthi babheke thina la ngizwe nje hey Sylvester mangini ay ngihlangana ne-rifle bhuti yo engihlangana ne-rifle first shot yayibona ungishaye ya shaya ngiyoba asitithu achoose ngathi maqede ushamini ashayo achoose nga3 ngizwe nje uyayithola kanti ushayo achoose iside long kumbulele uachoose makawa mangisukuma mina shanye ishot la uachoose ngathi khona ukusukuma ngoba sihamba noThekeni ne-out yakhe uyabo lo ngihamba naye lo uThekeni walentwana esihamba naye sibafaka emaphakathini uvuka ume ngapha mina ngime ngayi ebashaye bhuti achoose ngathi akhona ukusukuma reverse angene kule ndlu le mangithi ngiyasukuma mina eshayi uyayithola but ngathi ngikhonile ukuyidonsa ngiloka ngilele mangithi la njengoba shale two shot uyabona bathi nginja bathi ngathi ngathi ngisidonsa ngalesanda njengoba vithisa iminwa yayibona njani ya avithizele minwa le aphume la uyabona le two shot ayishangilele phansi le bese ka it was unnecessary
Uyaqedelela kahle.
ya shy two shot nje la ke icima ibani uyayithola icima ibani imilomo fucked up kusho ukuthi enkhawathile leyabhari wosi phaphame the following day kwetsalang first thing engiphaphama kuyo mawutwa kakayi angifeel inyawo zami ndoda kanti hayi angidutshulwa ngezolo ngidutshulwe last year August late 1997 September
1 year coma.
yeah inekho ngicabanga ukuthi ngidutshulwa izolo mina kanti hayi 1 year ngidlulile ngikhoma but mangikukhoma ngithi mina bengikhona ukurecognize bengiconscious ngoba ukuthi nje le mangikhuluma ngayo abantu babona ngathi ngikhuluma istory yabo irubbish uyayifirsta notham mina bengikhona ukusuka la embedeni wami out of body experience ngibukele umzimba wami nabo doctor bawurroundile ngibezwe ukuthi bathini but I won't be able to explain how. I don't know what it was. Was it my spirit or my soul that was looking down? But I could hear. I could even hear my mother lapane mnyango while she speaks. She wanted to come in, bangamvumeli, amaphoyisa. But I could hear those things, then go back to the body. Guthi kanjani? It's still boggling my mind till today. But I've read experiences, abantu bakhuluma similar experiences. So it happened to me live. Uyayibona ngizibonile ngiphumile out of body. What was that? You explain. Abaziyo bazosho. But mina, I know ukuthi I've seen myself lying on my bed. I could feel when they operate. Yeah, Mari. Yeah, Jenny, I could feel, I could see ukuthi ba operate kuphi sometimes. Maybe it happened twice. Sometimes la kunalanga emuzwa khona udoctor athi this guy won't make it through the day. I wanted to tell him, no, I'm fine. I will make it through the day. Ngoba I could feel whatever it was that was still strong in me. Wabona la mapipe tweet utalo uyabona. angazi ukuthi ngayi-explaina kanjani. That was someone else. It was like eyangforestani mlungu wami. It was something. No, it was something. I wish today I understand that thoroughly what happened then. Then that's where you'll recognize good into as my soul, spirit, they do exist. You respect that. It's undescribable. Uzoyibiza uyithini ke wena le ngokutshela ngayo. Uzothi ngikhuluma irubbish or ngikhuluma amasimba or ngiyakubhedela. Mina ngokutshela
bazokureferela to ama-psychiatrist.
Dala vele bangireferela kuma-psychiatrist sengijwayele vele. Mara believe you me, I'm not bullshitting here. I'm telling you real life story. Le nto ngizibukele so. It was like spirit is like you are uyabona the way you are lying flat. La is like now you are lying flat but on air. You feel your body what you are lying like straight but
ithini ngqondo iyasho lento ukuthi uyavaya or wena
hayi lento ithi away no way I can feel angiyakutshela ukuthi abo doctor but this guy won't make
it's something that's called an angel of death bathi unokuyizwa nje bekhala ngisasteri kunomuntu kavula umnyango
la muntu mina then mina I could feel ukuthi ngiyalwa I'm going to live through this ukubona njengoba ngokutshela ukuthi after a year after 11 months when I wake first thing that was on my mind, where are my legs? I couldn't feel my legs. Yeah. Uyabona thamanga nti papa. Coma bonesi bari yo utsugile. Baphume babaleke labo nesi, yabo? So kuza abo doctor bengami laphana bangicheck. But we are fine. Ngithi where's my fucking legs? Yabona bathi
first question.
Yeah, ngifuna inyawo zami ngizifili. Yabona manje ngifuna ukusukuma ngikhone.
Esana.
Uyayibona udoctor anginike enye insimbi lapha ayifake ngizidonse ngithi where's my legs that there's your legs ngithi I can't feel them mangithi nyawo abamba nix engihlanye but yo ngihlanye uthami I think ukuthi after that something died then
son turning point
that day when I wake up to find out ukuthi I've lost my legs it was like something died in me that day
son so explanation ayikakangeni kuwe from professionals ukuthi you are not going to be able to walk in your entire life or basese ne therapy
kimi I'm paralyzed from the waist down ngithi what do you mean I'm paralyzed from the waist down at you won't be able to walk on your own again ngithi you mean when I come from this bed I must sit on a wheelchair at yes ngithi for how long at for life net leyo yabona leyo ke leyo ike yangihlangahlanganisa leyo no leyo ke yangihlangahlanganisa but believe you me there's something inside so strong it's no there is uyabona lela kuxololela something inside so strong no believe that shit it is tangible mina I know of myself kusho ukuthi from there was only one thing that I will walk again I will walk again with my own legs. Now today I'm on crutches. Ngisuke ku-wheelchair with paralyzed with no nothing. Shisele inyawo left and right ngifuna ama feelings wami back.
Uzishisa?
Yeah, ngizishisa. I wanted my feelings back.
Do you think at some point you were losing your mind or something? Because angithi kune anger at the same time, the confusion.
Yeah, mina phela uyabona vele anger ngithi I had anger issues ngathi since ngisasentwana. I've got a Mursa temper. I explode, uyabona. But now at least I've tried to contain it. I call it the beast in me. It's like uboshwe ngama-chain. No mistake, before ngifake eskelemini, I won't let him ngifake eskelemini before, yabo. My anger issues it's deep ngoba mangikhuluma ne-psychiatrist, they started from my early age, things that happened to me at my early age. Uyayifrustana. Things, as he said, as he ends, whatever Sylvester to be, whatever he is, we have to understand. The shit that happens when you are young affects your adulthood, my friend.
I think it's a lesson, out of this conversation, our parting shot, or what I take out, it's a big lesson learned. Because abantu bayangena asitshela ukuthi hayi accident nje or no bamsodomizile nje. The next thing le nto ayikhiphele ebantwini. You live with that thing.
You live with that thing. It affects your
thinking.
It affects everything. It affects your psyche, your IQ. It affects a lot of things. Ngoba no matter how intelligent you are, it boils down to ukuthi shit happens. Shit happened. And this happened to me. So I had to dish it back.
And for some reason, you know, we had a chat behind the scenes where Grootmane was just briefing me ukuthi kunala he had to pay revenge for ibrazaki out yakhe yakhawatheka somewhere outside of the province ehostela kuphi kuphi.
Yeah.
They had to go back there. Kwakwenzakalana emqondweni because on that day washo ukuthi nave nababo Clint Eastwood nidubula kuphela.
No, angithi bokhawatheke out yet besinama rifle apha yabo.
Yeah.
So siphathula ama R1 I4 le emasojeni ngaselands.
Yeah.
So sifuna ibayari A1 yabo.
Yeah.
Umngane uyasuka ungena kwenye hostel ngeke ngibize ngegama. Uyobhayisa i-rifle. Makabhayisa i-rifle ngada lezi yambhathula lezi ara hostel. Yabo? Uyakhawatheka kungathi ulwilo achoose yabo uyakhawatheka manje thina masizofuna achoose asamthola ngithi siyazuze la simbonile vele wezela
Yeah.
dan manje sizwa manje mase sizwa ngesestre lakhe lesitshela ukuthi achoose ise hostel use bara kanjani usebhaka kanjani athi hayi labe nemthume khona ngathi ukhawathekile yabo engitshele lezo zami lezi zabesuthu ezithu nalena ngitentanga niyayizwa le ndaba le lo muntu ubhayi ingenelazi emkhawathile ezixova irifle yamakeliphi iroom la ngithi asibuzi kude liphi room nathi sifika la sishaya all over la sifika khona esike sangena ebusuku ngabo ma 11 ne yo esike sangena but ngiphethe 2 yama spec cassette ngiphethe iCZ ngiphethe iAstra kanje kusho ukuthi ushanja usabheki nokuthi ushaya uvala nje amehlo ushanje insimbi ngathi manje labantu labo muphi obhathula achoose ula somewhere so sibelieve njalo mele sipay revenge igazi lethu impintshi yethu ngeke ukhawathi one yethu ucabanga ukuthi you'll get away with that shit. You don't do shit like that to people like us. No fucking way. So we had to do what we had to do. Then we shot that way. We should through the hostels. Share from ngapha sayophuma ngale. Not even one gun responded. Yeah, si 4 sishabo ma 2. Uyabona ukuthi zingaki le lamagani i8 uxhoma ibhamu ezi8 ubona ngathi igcwele abantu kanti hayi. Angithi manje bese angithi sabazi banezibhamu. Sesifuna ukuthi baphume nalo i1 othathele rifle aveze ubudoda bakhe. Ngimane kuliwe silwela isibhamu sethu sithola isibhamu manje ngenhlanhla zangu waba respond yabona. So ngeke sikhona ukubuyela siloka senza hiding via abohata obviously sebazwile yabo. Singene nje lapha neDeepproof gone. Transi gone. I choose the following danja yethu naye sebuyile ikhawathekile yabo. Intanga igana tadi inkile ntshatsele rama koskawara le rona rensen twaro yabo gani kingi gani angithi sniper mama phela ibhamu ngalezo enkathi ebesineziningi.
So mara now sikhuluma ngesikhathi sama 80s 90s and abantu ababhaya banokuzwela nje ukuthi man bekunobani lama Grootmane probably abanye bakhona basalieva. You were amongst abantu abaye ba-affiliate kuma gangs at that time because life yakho azange ibe smooth kanje. The reason why ienga beloku iphile up ngoba you were joining yonke le mithetho or ukungena yibo akusiyo umthetho lo wasedanyana ngoba bakushayela. So ama gang okwaba nawo at that time ngale icard lezi because sezwela nje ngawo amakabasa amakapa amawatwat.
Mina Orlando ngithi ngalezi nkati phela mangisakhumbula Grand wamaningi amageng kunama Ethiopian kunama Benetton kunama Kapa kunama Rambo kunama Ninja kunama Feel Free kunama Little Jack Jingle kunama Dickies kunama LLJ uyayifrustana. So mina besingekho into gangs mina ngithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi mina bengirecruitwe lezi eshamadlala. Mina was into the suburbs yabo. So mangiphethe idulasi yami ngibuye suburbsini ngoba besihamba ngama taxi ngama train ngaleza inkathi. Lezi amagenge lezi bezingibhathula zingibamba inkonzi. So I had to ngi-affiliate namakapa. Uyayithola? Ngiskime lezi amakapa ama Benetton ama Ninja agcine aba into eyi1 aba marabeka uyabo? Ntwana zikhula nazo ezasekasi. So zigeza kwazenye impintshamo amrosi kabuhlungabe for lezi azispini abotsothi bala elokishini thina sispine suburbsini masibuya la ekasi ziyasiphathula ngokuthi zihamba ngegeng eziningi and ziphatha amagoni yabo and ngalezo nkathi phela thina sisingabantu bamagoni siphatha amagani but asikawasebenzisi siyawathengisa ngoba siwathola ezindlini zabelungu yabo then ngajoyina zona lezi yeah until ngize ngiyedanyane mangiphumile ngibalekile nginokubloma nazo ngoba mangiphumile boma 93 ngithola la sablomile sasebhaya yabo until 95 ngijike yonke lento le kodwa fuck tsotsinyana laba phela 95 angithi kula ngithatha i-decision khona ukuthi ngeke ngisabalekela bohata abohata ozongifuna ngisambalekeli zomthela ngemvula ubabona
and uyashisa that time
ya bengishisa ngathi ngicela ukubalekela le life na 70 or ini ntontoni le banginike yona so ngicina ngidecide ukuthi hayi so ngidecide konke akusiba uhata phela nalabo clever bala iSoweto bamamese laba babhizi baloka babhathulana nezigebengu abagcwali laba ngiphe ama revenge wamzukwana hayi la estradeni ngingabahleka ukubabona ngiyabakhumbuza ukuthi yes msonapari wahopola kiye mwelenteng msupa ngenye into yabona ukuthi yo but angithi manje I'm turning now the tables bokwamaboss enyashika kuba yimi boss
at some point muzbo Nino Brown why bagayele igama lika Nino Brown
no lelo kulesikhathi ngibalekile 1993 nalezami zangada bokunomude real Nino Brown wangada wama New Jack City mina ngifika 1993 ure real Nino Brown orlele uyayifrustana so lelo gama selisala ngami and ngilinikwe enye ya bathi Orlatara wama KPS uyebeka ngibiza Nino so leza ama New Jack City ngiziskimele esikhathi ngibalekile 93 yizo ke lezi nazo ezingifaka enkingeni ngoba besofa ama tavern singena ema tavern in Groove
yes
faze one side indoda one side yabona siniveza amatswaphe sinithathela amaleda sinithathela amafoni plus ngalezi nkathi bongana amafoni ke hayi bewangekho sinithathela amaleda sinithathela amajewelry gone samba ngama BM ngalezi nkathi box match in drive imoto ezi straight yabo mara sishintshwa nje ama number plate for uyayifrustana so ilelo gama ngilithola la yabo but it was not my name mina ngoSinundu mlungu wami
hey uJoe Black mawuthi uSinundu hiyo injani Black
yabona ke loyo muntu loyo uyongakutshela yabona loyo hayi awuthaba
uyolazi udaba siyivala ngedanyane because ngifuna siyongena abantu ababhaya ngithi bana lento ukuthi kune touch yejele so lo mfethu njengoba ngena waphuma sekune 33 years nje ekhulumekayo khona nethi and also the spirit of resilience ukuthi how did you survive the 33 years mhlambe the biggest question ile ukuthi kule 33 years angithi bathi eat or be eaten uyisurvive kanjani le nto edanyana because wena bufunga ngomoya umuntu othi ngiyabaleka angidlali kanjalo ayidawulithwa ngeyakho mawuthi le number uyiphilile not ukuthi bewuye ukuthi ngifuna ukungola ngishaya abantu edanyana bengiphila 99 usurvive kanjani kule minyaka e33 including konke ama escape ngiyabona
ngitshela mlungu wami mina ngibalekile phela and ngaze ngayokhawateka 96 so from 96 mangicede ukukhawateka idanyane mawudisable ngeke ulunge uyayifrustana kwakhosta ukuthi I must recreate myself ngoba manje I won't be able to do the same kind of escape engizaziyo ngoba kusele a1 force so I mean in a wheelchair I'm disadvantaged with crutches so I have to turn into an animal uyayifrustana kusho ukuthi ngaphakathi mangifika ngibona ukuthi angisakhoni engifike emaximum ngafunga ngathi mina uclever ozofika la ngisike ngerazor angishape angikape ngelogo mina ngizothatha umphefumulo wakhe then I saw that nale autism uyabona ukuthi mina uyangibhekela ungangithathi ngoba ungibona nginje ucabanga ukuthi you are going to get away with it I'm fucking killing you so bengizitshela naseseleni yabo ukuthi machimbos ho mangwa kae chopus yabo nna mo ke phela lefatsheng la ka ke na le territory ya ka ona clever o tla jumpang line e how we jump line e o tla tlalwa ke nomboro so I had to prove what I'm saying so
uvela so ufake asibizi crown for lack of a better word and uvela so general abantu ababhaya okay mhlambe ngoba ngizazi kade zihamba kadla into zamanamba in terms of the ama ranks wakhona did you witness the latest rank uthi no this is the ceiling in terms of inamba yakho because omunye umuntu aka-understand uzwile nje kancane ukuthi lo mjita lo njengoba bashayela ama-escape angaka of course le nto besho ukuthi kumele bagcobhoze bamnike into zakhe bakugayile wona into zakho zaphelela.
No, mina phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi mangifika bese ngikhawathekile.
Yeah.
Njengoba ukhawathekile amajita ngeke afuna ukurecognize
Yeah.
to that rank ele uyisebenzele ngalawo ma escape. Phela
Yeah.
wama i7. So imagine each and every escape irank makumele ngiyithole.
Yeah.
Then uyangifrustana.
Yeah.
I had to take mine by force. Ukuthi mina ngomuntu nje mawunenkinga clever vele umela. Uyabonga ukuthi mina ngibalekile angikhulumi ngomlomo ukuthi ngi Air Force phela ngiyayenza mina ngizibizi. Mina angithi ngi Air Force ngiphila leyo nto bengikusho ukuthi bengiphila is Air Force ngi Air Force vele ngiyabaleka kamampela. So bokunabanye ma Air Force mangifika amagunya awakaze wabaleka nakayi1. So bengiba ne problem ukuthi akunale mfanele ifuna ukuzoshayela mina
Yeah.
ngeziphi
Yeah.
lo muntu lona akanayo and nale F yokugcina leyo mele ayisebenzisa akakazi wayisebenzisa akakazi achitha igazi abaleka lo emizuzu. So I had to fight my friend ngoba wabona phela amajele engwahambile each and every time bengihlangana nabantu abama rank agroad. So I had to oppose. Ukuthi when I was busy leyo nto leyo where did you work for that rank is phela nami ngaleso sikhathi incidi kithi ngiyisingethe inomboro ngikhona ukuyihluba angisayishovi sengiyayihluba manje and ungakhohlwa ukuthi mawi Air Force inomboro uyithatha ngaphandle uwoza nayo ngaphakathi. So
Ayuza nayo kahle so mawuyihluba inombolo ukwenzani?
no njengoba ngithi kuwe ngibhoda la mfowethu abhoda khona
Yeah.
umisa ngento engakanani mawuthi ubhoda la mfowethu abhoda khona usho ukuthi mawuzenga nami ngizenge
Yeah.
back nakanye ayisho njalo inombolo that's why ngithi uyihluba kayi4 le 1 uyihluba kayi4 usho ukuthini mawuthi ubhoda la umfowethu abhoda khona
Yeah.
mele ukhona ukuyihluba ngoba nakathi ubhoda la umfowethu abhoda khona mele azi ukuthi ukhuluma ngento engakanani and ubhoda ngomuphi unobangela angithi wena bhuti I had to fight for mine. Big time yabo yeah ngoba mina zange ngayithola phansi komdiyadiya.
Yeah.
Hayi mina
Uyigurele.
ngitholele fans phela mina ngibalekile akuna clever la eSouth Africa onganaso istory ngoSylvester Mfokeng. Mina you don't need to ukuthi ngiziprove or to tell you anything. My name speak for itself when it comes to escaping ngaleza inkathi. Uyangifrustana so wena who are you uzovela ongangazi?
Yeah.
Uyayithola ngapha wena uthi uyigunya lama Air Force mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi Air Force igunya lalo indoda ebalekayo.
Yo.
Mina mawukhuluma nge Air Force mele kimi ube ubalekile kayi 2 3 4 times ngabaleki kayi 1 or 2 kimi ubalekile
Attempt.
hayi or ujump ama fence uthi phuma la singene khona nge F ngicwale ukuthi wena windoda elihlaza. So ngihlangane nento ezinjalo then I had to fight then ngalithatha le rank le the highest futhi ngayithatha ngayigcoka ngathakamela we1
So khona into ebonakalayo.
hey
Kuwe.
angithi uyayibona
Yebani.
uyazibona
Ipelete zonke lezi.
aha 4 yakunikeza ukuthi leyo ndoda leyo is escaped more than 7 times.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, hey Vandag, we're in for a treat. Yeah, this was a bit hectic nyana out here, but thank you so much for making time. And I know Guti, it's not the last time. Being solo busy unpack.
Yeah.
I know sikhulumile ngezinto ezingathi complicated sakhuluma ngedanyana ngeitori zakho but okubalekile ukuthi uyithama lo muntu uyigrotmane umntwana
Yeah.
we lady.
Sure.
So people they need to know you for your last performance. Where are we now in terms of your life and your look on life manje? And ngifuna ukuthola psyche indlela ocabanga ngayo ukuthi ukuphi lezi zinto zonke zisemva kwakho or usazigqokile lezi zinto ukuthi abafethu ngiyaqhutshekwa la kuyiwa phambili. Life ya change mfethu.
Yeah.
33 years akusinto okudlala uyigrotmane.
Ngakuphendula ngethini mina lapho.
Yeah.
Change is inevitable.
Yeah.
Uthanda ungathanda
Yeah.
yabo. It comes down to that.
Yeah.
Mina ngishintshile drastically so that's why inkinga yami now I'm still trying to find myself.
Yeah.
Where do I fit into society? Ngoba everywhere I go I get rejection.
Eish.
People they still got that preconceived ideas got Sylvester, yabo.
Eish.
And Mombona is like I can see through them. What they see, what they remember. They don't see what it is in front of them now. Yabo. Ngabang pumile la na 4 months phela no.
Yes.
I'm still fresh, yabo. So I'm trying to
After
insinuate.
33 years.
Yeah, that's no big deal. I've done it. It's hell yes, but I did it in Milano. So now I'm trying to find my feet. So inkinga no engwarishayo ukuthi ngifikele kule outlet zami yabo khulisa isizwe bafuna siyenza ama podcast and all those things sihambe igela si motivate yabo. It's a great thing. Uyangifrustana. But financially it's draining me. Uyangifrustana. No bokumele siyikolweni eWestern area young performer ngikhuluma nabantwana but I had to dig out of my pocket and I don't have nothing at the end of the day. So that's why I'm trying to find my feet now. As from now, where do I go from here? First of all, you have to earn a living. And legally so. We have frustan. So those are the challenges as kalangana nazo mangfika lana ngoba akufani naledanyane phuma phaka ngitileng nekalkopa uthi manje yiya kuna kalkopa kunankawuza ngale ngibhema imboza ngayimele ngibhema ugwayi umhlophe yabo. So eziningi ngikhwithile sharp but life is fucking harsh. No kuntswembu ngithola ukuthi mawuphuma we ex-convict ufika la ngaphandle ufika nama preconceived ideas ukuthi ngumnandi kwaze kwamnandi kulomhlaba kophi we need inyuku uyangifrustana without money you are nothing. No you are nothing ngoba at the end of the day so mina kwano ngisancingiswa mntana se my half sister yabo umuntu onokungibooster now and then but the cost of living is too high but I'll end.
I'm happy that you're appreciating her life. Because esikhathini esiningi abantu abenza into ezigrand siyakhohlwa yibo abantu bafuna lelo
that I call her my guardian angel. She's my guardian angel. She's the only one in the futhi she's not into my immediate family. Umntwana itime lami bekalishada umamakhe yabo. So she's taking very good care of me. She's the one who gave me solace and hope yabo. Good now you will do it.
No, there's many more even on the podcast. Into wayifuna abantu ukuthi ube intentional. If you're intentional about change and impacting impilo zabantu ngendlela positive, because sometimes people are not fools. They are watching us, but at the same time abantu underline they are carrying a red pen. We are abantu judgmental and abantu abakwazi ukuthi bafike but no, these were things that were done in the past. Mhlambe bo under duress, under pressure or under drugs and substance abuse. But life iqhubekile. Thank you so very much and I hope the story will resonate with many. Amakrotmane, the way ubabala ngakhona labantu laba. For me, it's 10 out of 10. No muntu has been there, done that. Because sihlala sikhuluma ngabantu abalaphana. But let me challenge for the very last time. Abantu abakhona abaphila in the media space. Bakhona bo Malik and Media bona they've done their part. Ukwenza show ukuthi at least when you should be out there. So nathi na platform si created nabo Brasoli ukuthi at least now be out there. So if ever there's anything a corner that one can do, I know there's always something. Singaze si recognize abantu but no babuya ngaphandle ama international companies. Bakhona abantu abakhona locally. Le story is worth ukuthi siconvertwe sekuyinto ye-awareness. You understand? We are not saying we are reliving the past. You understand? But we are just saying we just want to change people's lives in the perspective. Now see dramatize a life it change. So abantu abakhona kuma production companies, production houses, this is the appeal. On the screen down there akhona amanamba babhaya abantu abamakrotmanu abakudala bakufuna kuthiwa Sylvester mara bangakhona ukukuthola. After this podcast it's going to open a lot of things, a lot of doors. So ngicela ukuthi sishiye nje amanamba directly if ever kunama social media. Ngiyazi ukuthi it's difficult now uthi ihleli 28 nayo beyithi endod mina ngafika kungana ATM sengifika imali emabonda siwakhipha imali ngihamba kungana mahambo
nama robot eziningi zishintshile njengoba ngisho yabo. It's a pity njengokuthi ngaba igovernment isifanda ukuthi sifayile igela sithipela abantwana sifayile amakhona nikhulume nale ntwana ngoba believe you me ama drugs is
Yeah.
killing this
Ayenza
country, my
ubuprivate.
friend.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
it is the
Kubuhlungu.
youth of these days.
yeah,
No, beswabhemile phela sikhule ngama-drugs,
Yeah.
but not like today.
Yeah.
So into mina bengingayiwisha ukuthi maybe the government to fund people like us basincede nge-transport singene ey'gela
Ey'gela.
sikhulume nalabantwana ngoba leyo ukuthi sizoyuza out of our own funds is
Yeah,
not going to
don't get it.
work.
It's not
uyabo?
sustainable. Yeah.
Njengamanje mina I was deciding to quit.
Eish. No, it's
Hey.
still early. Bakhona abantu abakhona lo reliable bralazi ama-phone calls ayangena.
Yeah.
This platform, it's big. You won't know mfethu because kunabantu abakhona abahleli abaseTanzania bakhona abasimamela ababhayi.
Okay.
So we are busy with our subtitles and all of that ukuthi accommodate the wider audience.
Yeah, mara
Ngicela share
iba
amanamba.
honestly nje thina sifinde ukuthi masifika la ngaphandle it's like society doesn't care. They rejected us long ago. They don't give a damn about us.
Yeah, angithi problem yi-one abantu mabevaya la basuke bamoshile omunye umuntu vele athi no, once a pirate always a pirate, so they don't care. But now abanye abantu bayayibhilivela indaba ye-second chance ne-rehabilitation ne-development. Ama-churches are there so that bakhona ukuthi ba-receive abantu abafana nathi ukuthi okay kukanje. So i-platform, we are not creating a platform to say people are obligated ukuthi bas-accept.
Not at
understand?
all, yeah.
So we need to work our way up and also to show ukuthi people have developed and
Yeah, we've
seba-converting.
changed, we've shown remorse and we've regretted our actions and stuff. Ne?
Grootman yami ngiyabonga kakhulu ngicela sibagaye amanamba and then si-rap.
Okay.
Yeah, amanamba wakho nje bese rap.
Ama number.
Yeah.
No, my number one it's 071
Yeah.
395
Yeah.
4200.
Bazowaphantsha ke siwaphinde kokugcina.
Yeah, 071
Sure.
395 4200.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey mara ungafoni umuntu ofuna ukuthatha ikhanda lana ndoda
Yeah.
wabona. Ngoba hey you can never know. Yeah, no, I mean I did horrible things, my friend. There are things that I did that I believe can never be forgiven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's fine. Through us, the number yakona, solely will manage the relationship. We'll omit the numbers. But definitely bazokhuluma nathi and then sikwazi
Yeah,
ukuthi
thank
network
you.
thina ke isandla sivulekile so that kube ne direction baya exploitana abantu kune already bengikhuluma nalo belikhala lithi mfethu I've got a solid story but abantu bazokuthatha bakuzulazulise
Yeah.
bakufonela bakufuna into eziphuma eceleni, you understand?
frustana
And into
wena,
ayifuna abanye bazokuthreatina wayekhuluma ngama ref 4 kanje
Yeah.
wayekhuluma ngama 26 kanje kanti wena sowuchintshile, you are saying it's part of my story chance. Why
Hey,
not
hayi
tell me
mina
story
ngama
sami?
Air Force mina everywhere kuna Air Force elingakhuluma njalo ngoba baya recognize yabo ngaphakathi nangaphandle.
Yeah.
Eh.
Nazo Zasha, keep well and stay blessed. Ladies and gentlemen, siyabonga. That's how we wrap it up. From myself to you with love. Ngicela nibe nigrand. Grootman, until we
Thank
talk
you.
frankly again.
Yeah.
Thank you. On behalf of the whole team,
Okay.
Yasas Kim Chippy Foundation, we
Yeah.
really thank you
No, you're welcome.
for your
Njayam.
time.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Next one.